Take out. To remove or bring something outside. Example: I'll take out the trash after dinner. Look for. To search for something. Example: I'm looking for my keys. Have you seen them? Put on. To wear something. Example: It's cold, so I'll put on my jacket. Turn up. To increase the volume or intensity. Example: Can you turn up the music? I love this song. Turn down. To decrease the volume or refuse something. Example: Turn down the TV. It's too loud. Take off. To remove clothing or to leave quickly. Example: I'll take off my shoes before entering. Look after. To take care of someone or something. Example: Can you look after my cat while I'm away? Call back. To return a phone call. Example: I missed his call. I'll call him back later. Turn on. To activate something. Example: Can you turn on the lights? It's dark. Turn off. To deactivate something. Example: Don't forget to turn off the stove. Pick up. To collect or lift something. Example: I'll pick up the kids from school. Hold on. To wait. Example: Hold on a minute. I'm coming. Bring back. To return something. Example: Can you bring back my book tomorrow? Get along. To have a good relationship. Example: My siblings and I get along really well. Look forward to. To anticipate something positively. Example: I'm looking forward to the weekend. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.